HLS Show Me How. Hi, my name is Michael Giannotti, and I'm a Principal Technology Specialist in Microsoft's Healthcare and Life Sciences Group. If you have questions for me, for my colleagues, you can always find us on the blog at aka.ms/HLS blog. That's aka.ms/HLS blog. So what are we talking about today? Well, we have a challenge, and this really focuses around Microsoft's Viva Connections. A lot of folks very interested in connections, but the challenge they've been coming up with is, hey, we don't have a test dev environment, or we do, but there's a big change management process, and I want to get my feet wet. I want to stand up connections. I want to iterate and work on fleshing things out so that I can help better with my own organization's work that we're doing there. Well, thankfully, it is an easy proposition. What we're going to be doing is showing you where you can go to join the Microsoft Developer Program. Microsoft Developer Program is available for free. It'll give you 3 months of a subscription, but that 3 months, as long as you're active, will continue to roll over. So I'm going to show you all that. We're going to kind of walk through, and just important to note that once you get that, you're going to get an E5 subscription for 25 licenses available free of charge for you as a developer who's in there playing with these things, getting your feet wet. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so here we are. We're taking a look at the Microsoft Dev Center, and you can see here it says develop for the Microsoft 365 platform. And if we come on over here to the developer program, it has a thing for join now. When we select that, it says join the Microsoft 365 developer program today. And we can select this and begin developing. Once we have set that up, you'll see we get a free developer sandbox. It says you get a free renewable 90-day Microsoft 365 E5 developer subscription. You can also launch these data packs, which will populate that with some sample data and help you get started. And then there's training and all kinds of things. And here it kind of walks through what you get with all that. Again, you get 25 user licenses. So you can set up plenty of profiles to do testing around with that. And it tells you what you're getting as a part of all these things, including various apps and more. And then it says automate your sandbox configuration with sample data packs. I'm actually doing that as we speak for my own personal one. But there's a whole range of content that's out there. Also, there's a description around it up here on .docs. But it is simple. All you need to do is come up here, click join now. It's going to then ask you for your email. You're going to go ahead, put that in, and then it'll walk you through the steps. And it's that simple. So that's it. I mean, it is easy, folks. You need to get out there, get your developer subscription so you can get your feet wet with Microsoft Viva Connections today. We've had all that exciting news that was announced around partners, around for developers, coming dashboard, etc. You can get started. Get that subscription, get that sandbox environment with an E5 subscription with 25 user licenses. It's going to roll over. You can get the sample packs. Go out to lookbook.microsoft.com, grab some of the sample templates, and you can I use the landing as mine. That's available off a lookbook, so you can go ahead, grab that, instantiate that in your environment. And there's just tons of things that you can get rocking and rolling with and starting, and follow along with the posts that we've done, like how to wrap in SharePoint spaces and others. So get started. If you have questions, again, you can find me at the blog at aka.ms/HLS-blog. That's aka.ms/HLS-blog. You can also find me and connect with me professionally on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/in/Mike Giannotti. And finally, I'm also on Twitter, where I'm constantly retweeting stuff coming out from the product teams, as well as tweets around stuff that we're posting on the blog and other pieces. And you can find me at twitter.com/Giannotti. With that, this is Mike Giannotti bidding you have a great day. Take care, and as always, ciao.